What is up, beautiful people? This is your boy Square Bear, and it's your boy.
That's Square Bear.
That's Frosty right there. And we're out here for a little range day. Now, today's a little different. We gotta go, a whole gang of people coming out, shooting down range. We're out here to have a little bit of fun, work on some marksmanship skills, and just get after it. So, join us for today, ladies and gents, as we have a little fun out here. A little fun out in the desert, baby. Let's get it. First up is AR-15, Great Ghost Precision, custom built by my homeboy with his primary arms prism optic, 3x magnification. It's pretty fucking sweet. We're gonna see if we can deal with some hostage situation out in the boonies. So let's see if we can make it. All right. Okay. Hit the hostage. Damn. Alright, so rescue the hostage. It's not happening right now. Nowhere near close. It's fucking hard as hell. Somebody else has got it on lockdown though. Jesus Christ. We're out. Alright, so the hostage is dead 1,000 times over. The bad guy probably got him like twice. Now, we're gonna get a little old school with the Mosin Nagant. See if we get any better hits from out here. Well, we got one. Ooh, not quite. And we're out. Nice. Very nice. Three, two, one. There we go. A little flex for the camera. Boom, baby. Let's go. That should hit me in the chest, then the head, and the head again.
When you shot it, it went. Bang.
Oh yeah? Oh shit. Fuck yeah. What number did you use?
Arrow.
Nice. Shit. I don't like this thing. Choose my caliber of choice.
Right?
I got it once. A hostage. Sounds like a little air gun, dude.
Yeah, right? Yeah, it's working now. See if that's the issue.
Yeah, it might be. Hell yeah, buddy. Shit, dude. I see a little Galil action. Love this one. Motherfucker taking some punishment, dude. His AR is pretty clean, man. His AR is pretty clean. Let's fuck up that fridge in the middle. Ready? 3, 2, 1. That's crazy. Oh shit.
You got video of it?
Hell yeah.
Yeah. That shit over there crazy. Bro,
Holy fuck. Come on, Buttercup, I ain't getting any younger.
what happened?
I said, come on, Buttercup, I ain't getting any younger.
Let's go.
Let's fucking go. Alright, so one at a time, or what?
One at a time.
You gonna start us off?
Me?
Yeah? Get out there, the wind! Alright, you motherfucker, you have to go down at some point. Rifle challenge, one hand.
I don't even know how many I have.
Fuck you with. You win. I'm out.
I'm out.
5-4.
5-4.
Good match, sir.
Good match.
Good match, sir. Good match. Battle stance.
Love that shit, huh? Just a couple rounds is cool, bro.
Rounds. I was already got a couple rounds in. There you go.
Butter smooth.
It's nice, huh? Yeah,
That's
dude.
just butter.
Fucking love it, man. Ready to go? What the fuck? What the hell was
Are you
that?
getting the mag release?
Oh, maybe. All right.
Damn. That's cut, so I'm gonna call cold range real quick. I'm just gonna go grab my steel target real quick.
Okay.
I'm gonna call cold range, alright?
All right.
Blew the hole out of that thing.
Holy shit. Little interview. Sir, how does that feel?
America. That's all I have to say is America. That was my God, that boom.
Ooh, baby.
I loved it. It's
Yeah,
addicting. I want to do it again.
All right. I like it. I fucking like it.
It's the perfect rifle to have with your Glock. If you own a Glock 17 or 19, this and a Glock in a backpack and a couple mags with a few hundred rounds, bro, that's your rug gun right there, or your backpack that you keep in your truck or your car or something.
Yeah.
Because you'll always have a fucking carbine at that point, and you'll have your Glock. A couple 33 round sticks, bro, you're in the game. That's the only reason I bought this, so I could just pair it with my Glock and
Yeah.
have it on the side. That's why I don't shoot it too much, but it's a good gun.
Yeah, dude. What compact does that look
Compact, packs away, nice and small.
Hell yeah.
Super nice.
Fucking dope.